Hello and welcome to our 37 in 1 sensor kit series. Today we are discussing about our 12th sensor, that is the Mercury Tilt Switch sensor. A tilt sensor is a sensor which opens and closes an electrical circuit when it is inclined beyond at certain angle. It can be used in tilt prevention device, an alarm circuit, and in many die projects. There are different types of tilt switch sensor modules. For sensing the tilt, and module can have a ball switch or mercury switch. In this circuit we are using a mercury based tilt sensor. It requires a 5 volt of DC input. It is a 3 terminal device, consists of input, ground and out. It has a glass tube, consists of 2 electrodes and liquid mercury ball. The liquid mercury ball closes and opens the circuit when inclined in a particular direction. The working and internal structure of module is shown in a figure. Now come on to the working of tilt sensor. In this, the first case is not tilted. Initially when it is in not tilted position as shown in the image, it gives low output because of the liquid mercury complete the circuit by connecting the 2 electrodes. When the output is low on board, LED remain on, and the case 2 is tilted. When it is inclined in a particular direction or angle, the liquid mercury breaks the contact between the metal electrodes and the circuit gets open. Hence we get high output in this condition and the onboard LED turns off. Now I'll show you how you can interface your sensor with the Arduino.